Hey guys, we're gonna be unboxing the new, well not new, but the M1 MacBook Air. Here's me. So, let's open it. What is on Apple's website? I got the base model, get some. It's gonna be the same way. Faster, more powerful than my old 2013 Retina MacBook Pro. And my MacBook Pro was fast enough before it broke. And the SSD died. So basically, I'm gonna try to get my footage off of it. So I guess, let's go. Let's pull the plastic wrap. There we go. Okay, what's the box? Ooh, there it is. I got the silver model. I'm like, okay, I was trying to get the space gray model again. My iPad's space gray, man. Yeah, my iPad's space gray, and I'm like, I'm gonna change it up. Well, and if I really wanted to change it up, I probably got in the gold, but it looked too pink for me, so I just went away. Decided against it. So let's lift it up. Oh wow, that is light. There it is. Oh, set it out for the side. Inside we get, regular documentation. Apple stickers, MacBook Air, quick start guide, the basics. And then inside we get, I think, the 2 meter? Just the 1 meter. But it's the 2 meter USB-C cable. USB-C to USB-C. Which is nice. There you go. And then here's the 30-watt Apple charger. Ooh, nice. 4 prongs. Now, let's just set that off to the side. Check that off to the side. Well, now for the MacBook Air itself. Ooh. Ooh. It's a the tab. Oh, there it is. Nope. Ooh. Oh. Hello. Ooh, try out the keyboard. Oh. Okay. I'll set this up really quickly because it's gonna be a process.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Oh. Yes. Okay. I'll finish setting this up, and I'll be right back. Okay, now that I have the MacBook all up and going, it's awesome. I've actually been using this thing since August, and judging by the Christmas tree, you could probably tell it's December. But yeah, this thing's awesome. I actually just got this thing back from the repair. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out the last video. But yeah, this thing, this video I've actually been meaning to upload about, back in August, actually. So, yeah. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, Philip. Actually, you can still, it's Apple Care, because I got, repaired a little bit ago. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna add, but just kind of cool. Flow out. So yeah, bye. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you make sure to leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button. Check out all the other videos, and yeah, bye. And comment.